Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Mining Pool. First, you'll need a Binance account. Navigate to the Earn section and select Binance Pool. Here, you can create a mining account, which is separate from your main Binance account. This setup allows you to manage your mining operations efficiently and track your earnings. It's a straightforward process designed for both new and experienced miners to get started quickly. Once your mining account is set up, the next step is connecting your mining hardware. You'll need to configure your miner with the correct Stratum URL provided by Binance Pool, along with your worker name and password. This information ensures your hardware properly communicates with the pool. After configuration, your miner will begin contributing its hash power, and you can monitor its performance and your earnings directly on the Binance Pool dashboard. Binance Pool offers daily payouts, typically distributed to your Binance wallet. You can check your estimated earnings and actual payouts within the pool interface. It's important to monitor your hash rate and worker status regularly to ensure optimal performance. The platform provides detailed statistics, allowing you to analyze your mining efficiency and make adjustments as needed. This transparency helps you maximize your profitability. Beyond basic mining, Binance Pool offers advanced features like auto-conversion, allowing you to automatically convert your mined coins into other cryptocurrencies. Engaging with the Binance Pool community can also provide valuable insights and support. Remember to regularly review your security settings and keep your software updated for the best experience. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, please check the link in the description below. Happy mining!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.